Today, Murray from White Fencing here, doing a 500 metre curving post and rail job. Given a new STIHL electric chainsaw to try. It's a new 220C with the standardised 3/8 peak out 14-inch chain and bar, bigger than the previous electric saw with the smaller chain. I've been using this saw on this job for about 2 days now, trialling it, and I'm really impressed with it. There might be a few of you out there a bit skeptical to try an electric saw, but it really is great on how easy it is to use, how well it cuts, and it really is a professional saw, and I think a lot of people get a lot of use of on a fence line. We've got quite a long history with the electric saws. We bought this old girl probably 7 years ago. We thought it was the bee's knees when we got it. We were a bit skeptical to start with, given that it's electric and it's kind of not a professional theme, but in actual fact they are professional. Now, the advantages of the electric saw versus a petrol saw for what we do is that we'll pick a saw up and we'll do 1,000 cuts in a day, and you may have to start that petrol saw 300 or 400 times a day. This thing, you just pull the trigger, you pick it up off the ground, it weighs nothing, do your cut, put it down. The chain stops instantly, there's no overrun, there's no fumes, there's no noise. They're great. These two saws essentially are identical. The differences are the capacity of the battery in the new saw is unbelievable, and the power that it's got over the old saw, I would say it's almost double. Not knowing the true figures, that's just my assumption. We've only had this saw a couple of days and we love it.